Planning healthy meals for a busy week ahead couldn't be easier with the FoodSaver Fresh food preservation system. You can prepare all your family's favourite delicious snacks, lunches and dinners in advance, and then vacuum seal to keep the food fresh for up to 2 times longer than ordinary food storage. Having your meals already prepared lets you and your family enjoy them as if they were freshly made. The FoodSaver Fresh food preservation system is specially designed to work with your FoodSaver Fresh containers and zipper bags. To get started, just place your FoodSaver Fresh container or zipper bag on the base of the platform and lower the vacuum sealer into place. Press the button and it does the rest. The vacuum process stops automatically when freshness is sealed in. It's perfect for storing your favourite foods in the fridge or pantry, as well as taking to school or to work. FoodSaver will keep your food fresh right through the week, even when you're out and about. Being both microwave and dishwasher safe means you can really trust in the new FoodSaver Fresh food preservation system for the promise of freshness.